Welcome to lesson number 2, letter A, word I. Hello. First, let's listen for words that have the same beginning sound. Ready? Here we go. Do the words sit and save start with the same beginning sound? Yes, they do. Great job. Do see and dog begin with the same sound? No, they don't. Good job. Let's practice some rhyming. Let's listen for words that end with the same sounds. That means that they rhyme. Listen to these words: big and dig. Do they rhyme? Yes, big and dig do rhyme. Nice work. Okay, next words. Listen to these words: hit and hat. Do they rhyme? No, they don't. Way to go! Now, it's time to practice our letters and sounds. First, let's review our letter from last lesson. S. The letter S makes this sound.
S.
Great work! Now, let's learn our new letter for today. This is the letter A. These are the uppercase and lowercase letters. The letter A makes this sound.
A.
Listen for the sound in this word. Apple. Do you hear the sound in the beginning or end of the word? Yes, you hear the sound in the beginning of the word, apple. Good job! Let's say our new letter and sound again. A. The letter A makes this sound.
A.
Good job! Now let's listen to the sound and write the matching letter in the air with our finger. Ready? Here we go.
S.
Good work! Now let's listen to another sound and write the matching letter on the palm of our hand with our finger.
A.
Great job! Next, let's review the heart words that we already know. Read this word.
The.
Great job! Now, let's learn a new heart word. Remember, a heart word is a word that we need to remember by heart because it doesn't follow our sound rules. Here is our heart word for today. I. I. Let's use the word in a sentence. I can jump. Let's listen to the sounds that we hear in the word I. I. How many sounds do you hear? One sound. You are right. Great job. This word makes the long I sound because it says its name. Long I usually has another letter with it. Since it stands alone in this word, it is a rule breaker. That makes it a heart word. Another easy way to remember this word is that it is also the letter I. Let's read our word again. I. Great job today. Let's review today's letter, sound and word one more time. A. And this is the sound that it makes.
ah,
Here is our word for today. I. Great work today. We hope to see you soon for our next lesson.